Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tim, bringing you guys the channel Daily Deals with Tim. And today we're going to look at power supplies. So power supplies is one of the main parts of a PC, and it's what gives the electricity to all the parts of the computer. So this is a very important part, so you guys want to be careful and get a quality part, whether you're gaming or just doing regular tasks. So today, the power supplies, the deals we're going to look at are the EVGA 600B1 80 plus bronze rating and the EVGA Supernova 650G1 for those who are into high-end gaming or more complicated editing tasks. But before we get into these two, we're going to look at the quality or the tier list of the power supplies. So if you look at this forum here, the power supplies they're divided into efficiency ratings. So starts from standard to bronze, silver, gold, platinum to titanium. So if you guys want to get a high-end power supply, you probably want to look at silver, gold, platinum, around there. I would say gold is pretty good for most people, unless you get into really professional computers where there's going to be so much tasks that needs to be done, and it's just heavy duty computer that you need. But other than that, for most gaming computers and most daily computers, bronze to gold can be a pretty good rating for everyone. Alright, so since you guys know the quality of the power supplies, let's go on to the EVGA 600B1. It has a 80 plus bronze rating, so this is a pretty quality PSU. But if you want to go into a high-end gaming and really heavy-duty editing task, this power supply might not be for you. But for average gamers and most people out there, I would highly suggest this power supply. It is the performance meets value. So at $49.99, it is very affordable for a power supply, and it says 85 efficiency under typical loads. So pretty good efficiency with 120mm sleeve bearing fan, has 3-year warranty with EVGA customer support. And let me tell you guys, EVGA customer support is one of the best that I've experienced, so you guys should really consider this. And I have used this power supply before. I still use it, and it works perfectly fine, and it's been working fine for a couple of years. So here's my experience with this. So let me recap. If you guys are an average gamer, just have a daily working task or daily working computer and just average use of the computer, I would highly suggest you guys get this power supply. However, if you guys are into high-end gaming or maybe streaming or recording high quality videos, heavy duty editing, I would suggest you guys to get the EVGA Supernova 650G1 80 plus gold. It does have a 650 watt and fully modular with 10-year warranty, and even includes a free power on self-tester power supply. So it's got a lot in the package, and how they describe it is performance, price, perfect. I would say that's a pretty true statement. With the 80 plus gold certified, it goes up to 90% efficiency with a 135mm fan and 10 years support with EVGA support, with heavy duty protections and so much protections that it's hard to get into. But anyways, so for who would I suggest this to? As I said, heavy duty gamers and heavy duty editing videos or heavy duty streaming. So if you guys are into that stuff and want to continue on it, I would suggest to get this power supply. This will last you at the minimum 10 years, as they have the 10-year warranty and even more. But I would suggest once a lot of years are through the power supply, to suggest to test it out and probably change it. But once you need to change it, you could just go to the customer support and say, this is it's working not as what you would call it, it's not working as it used to, and you could probably ask them to give you a new one. So as I said before, EVGA customer support is really good, so I highly advise you guys to get EVGA products if possible. Alright, so these are the suggestions for the power supplies: the EVGA 600B1, 80 plus bronze, and EVGA Supernova 650 G1 80 plus gold. So that's the deals for today, and I'll see you guys next time with more deals on Daily Deals with Tim.